Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I am looking, whoo, but I'm looking a hot mess on this camera, but we ain't even getting to all that because I'm going to be slayed in a minute, do you hear me? Okay, so today I'm coming to you all with a wig review on a premium fiber, not human hair wig, okay? And the wig I'm going to be showing y'all today is this wig right here. This is the wig I am showing you all today. It is a bob wig, short in the back, asymmetric on the side. So yeah, I will be trying this wig on for you guys today. Okay, so just wait patiently for that. I recently went into my beauty supply store locally and I purchased this wig. They had a lot of wigs, but it wasn't what I was looking for. But this baby right here, y'all, this is my go-to hairstyle. If y'all see me looking up, over, whatever, I got a mirror right here, so just don't mind that, please. So, yeah, this is my go-to staple hairstyle. Oh, my God. This is my favorite hairstyle, y'all. Either that, this wig, or, like, the part down the middle that's been long. Anything that's just simple where you just get up and go. This is what I like to wear. Okay, so I am going to be trying this wig on for you guys today. So, just be patient with me. I did purchase this at my local beauty supply store. She was $25 with tax. I couldn't believe it. I'm thinking the price was wrong, or maybe they had the tag mixed up with something else. Because when I seen this wig, I'm like, there's no way this wig is $25. No way. I know it's not human hair, but still, you know, you got some synthetic wigs. It's like freaking 50, 60, 70, 80, $100 for a synthetic wig. So when I seen this one, I was like, okay, I gotta get this wig. Okay, this wig also comes in blonde with the black roots, and I will be going back to get that. So, I can't wait for that, honey. I'm going back to get that wig. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying this wig on for y'all. So just brace yourself, because I do have on a cap up under here, and I'm going to try this wig on, and I'll be back. Okay. All right, I am back. There she is. So pretty. Nah, for real. Let me fix it for y'all. Okay. This is the wig. Let me style it for you guys right quick. Get it back how I had it earlier when I tried it on. And this wig does have an anti-slip grip on it also. And this wig was $25, y'all. Look at this wig. $25? Girl, yeah. Let me fix it for y'all towards the front. Get all those hairs out the way. So yeah, this is the wig that I got from my local beauty supply store. Yeah, you cannot go wrong with this wig, girl. Look at it. Look at this wig. $25, girl. Who wanna get this wig for $25? So yeah, okay. This is the brand of the wig right here. This is the brand of the wig. It's a RJ Park wig. It's 100% natural with black castor oil in it. There we go. I hope y'all can see that. Okay, this is an anti-slip velvet wig grip comfort band on the wig. It's an anti-slip velvet wig grip comfort band that allows your wig to stay securely on your head without glue, tapes, or clip. Girl, come on. And it'll have no combs or none of that. It do has a elastic band where you can make it tighter and adjust it to your head. So that was a plus. You know, you have the regular instructions on it for conditioning and washing and drying and maintaining your wig. So yeah, this is a premium natural fiber wig Curl down safe up to 350 degrees. Girl, what? Y'all, they got this wig in blonde with the black roots. I am going to get that. And you see the brown one also. So, yeah, I am really, really happy with this wig. I really am. And it's so flowy. It's some nice fiber hair. So, you know, you get some hair that's like stiff and don't move and all of that. But this is not that type of wig. So, yeah. That's the wig, you guys. I just wanted to try it on for you guys to let you see. For $20, you cannot beat this wig, honey. You can't beat this wig with a stick. So there it is in the back. And the other side. So yeah. This is the wig, you guys. I'm going to move y'all up a little bit. There we go. So yeah. That is the wig, you guys. If you like this wig, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I will do a update on this wig to see how long it lasted for me. This is going to be my everyday piece. So yeah, I'll be wearing this girl out, honey. Out. Out. I be wearing this girl out. Yeah, let me quit doing too much. But yeah, that's the wig. And I love it. I do love this wig, you guys. It is so, so pretty. If y'all see me look at the way I got a big mirror up here. Let me turn y'all around so y'all can see. There you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. But yeah. I love this wig, you guys. It's so freaking pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So yeah. That's that. That's that, girl. But yeah. If y'all are interested in this wig, y'all better run to y'all local beauty supply store and grab this wig. Because, baby, 9 times out of 10, it ain't going to be in there long. It's not going to be in there long. $25. Let me quit. But yeah. Y'all better go to y'all local beauty supply store and grab this wig. It is so bomb. I just wanted to share with you guys this wig, baby. It is so bomb. But thank you guys for watching and coming back to my channel. I haven't been on here in a while. I promise I'm going to upload more videos for my subscribers. Yeah, so if you think any of your friends, family members would be interested in this wig, just, you know, direct them to my channel. Let them know where they can purchase their wig, honey. And hey, we is in there. We is in there. This wig is bomb, honey. Bomb time. This wig is bomb time. Ow. Okay. Bitch, what? $20. Come on now. $20. $20. Ow. Oh, yeah. But yeah, get in that comment section, tell me how y'all like this wig. Would y'all go buy the wig? Do I need to change the color or whatever? You know, let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.